camera.
Jesus. Oh. That burp is my satisfaction because I'm happy that Jack Frost is in this game. But I can't make him.
Yeah, I guess my nose is a little stuffy right now. It was a big one. I feel like I'm possessed by a demon. Emmy's right, I haven't been burping this much in like forever. Like, why? Cabron.
Oh, that was a really good one. Excuse me. Furry, congratulations on first place. That was a really good one.
But first, oh, that I should put that in like that should be in a metal song. Excuse me. I'm sorry. We're back for real this time.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Sorry, I haven't been here when you have been here.
Oh,
hey.
Excuse me.
A cinnamon whiskey shot. A fireball. Excuse me. I'm so sorry.
Sorry about that.
Okay.
I want to go to Cat Island, bro. Cat Island. Stay back, you demon. Stay.
How did that sound, chat?
Pardon me, sorry. Oh, he's a bit wet, isn't he?
Okay.
That's nasty! 감사합니다.
I am so burpy today. Jesus Christ.
That. Can you hear me? Oh, I'm talking through a megaphone. I hope you fucking hear me. Hello? Oh. Excuse me. God, even I'm grossed out by that one. I'm sorry, my friends.
I'll have to Google that again because I don't remember. Good burp.
La mierda, zurdo, 14 kilos.
No, but I want to see what it's like with that. Or I'd either do the helicopter pissing or because...
Yo, I told you to warn me again. I mean, as we do the interview, I'm going deaf. No.